Good morning, everybody. We're out on the water. We are on the Cherokee Reservoir, but we're up, I guess I can't remember direction-wise. I think it's the northern side of it in Granger County. Last time we came out, we went to Hamblin County, to the essentially the other side of the lake. But we're gonna fish this side of it. It's a nice little it's separated. It's very interesting. I'll put up a picture of the map here, and it's about 7:20. We're gonna throw some I've got a frog tied on. I've got one of our new swim jigs tied on, Dadfish Tackle swim jig. We're gonna throw a trailer on that, toss that around. I'm looking at a little cut back here. We got some structure, we got a bridge, we got some docks, and we've got some time. So we're gonna get after it, see if we can't catch a limit today. And that's the goal. Catch a limit, track the weights, see how we do. Let's get after it. Around here. I mean, thinking about it, normally the grass line over here, the water would be up to that. And over here, it's up to those trees right there. We're down a considerable amount. And so this would normally be deep enough, it doesn't matter what you're in, you could come through here. Like right here at least. But this is looking pretty shallow, so I'm trying to keep watch. I don't really want to scrape through, you know? I'd rather paddle than scrape. Oh gosh. Yep. Not done fast enough. Very shallow. I think we'll see if we can draft through it though. Be close. It's sand though. If I need to get out and pull the yak through, I can. At least it's sand and not mud. Because see the shoreline coming up, it's like, oh no! I should have backpedaled. Yeah, we'll make it through here. This looks like prime bluegill bedding area to me. Shallow, good sandy bottom. I think bluegill prefer sand or like small pebbles, right? My rudder. Get it pulled up part way here. Just kind of checking to see if there's any activity out on this little flat. Figure if bait fish are pushing up here, or there's a bunch of bugs that maybe the bass would be. We'll swing around that. Got one. Got one. Yes, finally. Say finally, we haven't been out here that long. Yes, buddy. Yeah. Oh, it was a soft bite too. I'm gonna back off a little bit. Oh, he's beautiful. All right, let's get a picture of this guy with our... I know. Oh, you spit it out. You little turd. Hey, I can't help you. Urgh. It's beautiful. All right, down you go. He wanted to do some acrobatics first. I probably could have popped it back in his mouth and taken a picture, but I would just as soon just take a picture of it naturally there. Taking a break. We're gonna go fish that dock and then go fish this thing, this silo. You can read about it, but this lake, and I believe Douglas, they flooded farmland to create the lakes, and so there's silos throughout both of them, and at the bottom obviously there's homes and stuff. Tempted to switch to the perch profile and just see if that darker profile will work better. Plus I want to use both of them, so. Oh, that's a good one. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez. He came up out of nowhere. I wasn't paying attention. Ow. Oh my gosh. Gotta get pictures of this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. Holy cow. I hope you guys are seeing this. All right. Where's my scale? We're gonna weigh this guy. This. Okay. This is a very interesting. What in the world? Man, the way they hit it. the coloration on this thing is interesting. Oh my gosh, this thing is a tank. It's biting too. I think it, is this a smallmouth or a hybrid? £3 pounds, 3 ounces. This is a 3 pound, this is a smallmouth. Holy cow. All right, ready? That thing got me splashed in the face. I'm going to check the camera. I'm seeing them. They're beneath me. So they're just back here. Like, I'm seeing pops there. This is not what I expected at all. We're gonna have a little grub here because I could see chasing our little stealth worm some smaller smallmouth. So I rigged up a little grub on a little grub jig.
twice. Oh, shoot. I could see him come up and snatch at it. Come on, do it again, hit it again. Hit it again. Grabbed it 3 times. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice little small or largemouth. Multi-species in it. Oh. Okay, we've got a beautiful and aggressive little smallmouth or largemouth here, and I'm gonna get a quick picture of the grub daddy in action, because it is a great great lure for multi-species. Thank you for the fight, my guy. Back down. They are stacked up out here. If we can keep getting bites, honestly, like we have until, I want to be back loading in about 3-4 hours. If we keep getting bites, I'll stay here and catch fish in this little cove all day. Anchor up against that post there, eat my lunch in the shade, and just keep catching.